Delmy says, hi. Here we have another interesting question, and this employs the use of indices. Check it very well. We have to satisfy this equation. Now, for every indices, we know that the law says for every base of a number, a exponent 0, this should be equals to 1. And it also says for 1 exponent m value, it should be 1. So we use this fact to solve for this. So this means that we first, solving for the x, we first use the exponent. So I equate the exponent to 0, use the base and equate it to 1, and that is it. So we have x square, using the exponent first, x square minus 11x plus 30 equals 0. Then we factorize this. So we'll be having, okay, since it should be two different factors, so we first put two brackets. I've explained this in my previous video, so you can check it out. So we have x here, x here. So we look for per factors of 30. That's per factors of 30. That's when you add, you get 11. To make it easier, let's first list the per factors of 30. And that's, we have 1 and 30, 2, 15, 3 and 10, 4, no, 5 and 6. After 5, it's 6. So we close. So these are the factors of 30. Now from this, we pick the one that when you add, the pair factors that when you add, you get 11. So, and that is, of course, 5 and 6. So that means here should be 5 and 6. Okay, since it's minus, so it means here will be minus, and that is it. So it means you'll be having x minus 5 equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 5, x equals 6. We do the same thing for the base, okay, and equate it to 1, and we solve. So we'll be having x squared minus 5x plus 5 equals 1. So we equate this to 0 as well. So we'll be having x squared minus 5x, then 5 minus 1 will be 4. So plus 4 equals 0. We do the same as we did here. So we factorize, put two factors. So we have x here, x here. Per factors of 4. Okay, so we have 1, 4, 2, 2. Okay, after that, that's all. So the one that you add, that gives 5. So that is what? 1 and 4. So you have 1, 4. So minus, minus. So you have x minus 1 equals 0 and x, or x minus 4 equals 0. And that should be x equals 1 or x equals 4. So that means we're having the values of x should be equals to 1, 4, 5, and 6. And that is it. Thank you.